know it's going to be hard to hear me, but I'm in baby, and we're going to do something that most people don't do in old cars. No, I don't like to do it either, but let's uh, let's show it can be done. Let's take it out in heavy California Saturday traffic. Fuck it. Where I live. I guess it'd be like medium desert. I don't know, but it's like um, I live out there. I'm from Wyoming, right? So I can't be around a lot of people, and I don't like to smog my cars and things like that. So you go out there, you can get things done without all the city stuff. I'd have to drive into town, to do my shopping or go to work. But I do commute, every once in a while, and I'm not a big shopper or anything, so I don't usually drive it into town except for work. So, um, but it's one of the things that everybody's always kind of scared to do in an old car. So I figured, let's do it. Let's go merge and shit. Let's go compete with modern traffic. I have a lot of footage of me driving baby through um, the desert and the mountains, but you know, everybody has that, and it's probably for a reason. But baby's my daily, so I wanted to show you what it'd be like to drive it in daily shit. But since we're trying something new with this driving around a township, there's something else new I've been wanting to try forever. I don't know if I've been wanting to try it, but it's something that nobody has a bad word to say about. And I think we're going to go try it. You ready? Ta-da! That's what I mean. Now, when I say nobody has a bad word to say, I mean nobody has a bad word to say about their comfort. Obviously, they're idiots. But we're going to try them. Fuck. That's right. Better keep on walking.